Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, everybody, we have several storms that we're tracking. Bear with me as the graphics are loading up here. We have some strong storms going through portions of eastern Kentucky. Not severe here, but some stronger storms with heavy rain. And there is new flash flood warnings here that have been extended. It looks like a little farther off to the east. We'll get to the warning map in just a minute. But definitely heavy rain and some flashes of lightning ongoing here, too. Let me turn on my hand tracker so we can move this around for you. Reduced visibility, if I can get out what I'm trying to say there. Reduced visibility expected with this as it continues to work its way off to the east. That's very heavy rain. Let me show you where we have the severe thunderstorm warning right now. This is down to the south, going into Casey County here. That goes till 7:15 this morning. Here is the estimated time of arrival of the strongest portion of the storm. Merrimack community at 6:50, so a couple of minutes from now. You get down to the Chilton community, 6:59. Peyton Store there at 7, down toward eventually Middleburg at 7:12. It's for this portion of the storm right there that's actually on the Marion and Taylor County line, and it's moving east. That's where there is some broad rotation, and not only will this storm into the northern part of Casey County have the potential to produce some winds gusting 60 miles an hour, we could get a quick spin-up tornado. So anybody living in northern part of Casey County, be indoors and stay there until this storm passes. Let me give you another wider view. The line of storms also continues as we work our way just to the south of Lexington. And you can see here, this is not severe, but definitely some stronger, likely heavier rain and some gustier winds going just east of Nicholasville over into Madison County, back down into Garrett County this morning. And then from there, if we do one more reset for you, you'll notice far south and east, there is not a lot. The morning rain and storms departed. Let me switch radar sites out of Jackson. You can see those storms are now well east into West Virginia and also the western portions of Virginia. Several warnings. We'll get to those in just right here. Tornado watch is in effect right now for all of the pink shaded counties, and that goes till 11 o'clock this morning. Also, a new severe thunderstorm warning just came in for Montgomery County till 7:15. And again, we have that warning for Casey County till 7:15. The flood warnings here, these are flash flood warnings. We're looking at flash flood warning that's going to be in place for Montgomery County and Bath County over to Rowan, and then from Powell over to Menifee, Morgan, and Elliott County. That goes until the newest warning expires at 10 a.m. So several warnings to track here. All right, so what's going to happen? We'll continue to see this line of storms march across the state this morning. Into the afternoon, I do expect some drier weather, but by late afternoon and back into the evening, some showers and storms come back. Let me show it to you here on Futurecast. This goes hour by hour. 7:30 this morning. The line of storms, it looks kind of messy on the model, but it's doing a fairly decent job with the placement. That line of storms keeps moving south and east this morning, and by really lunchtime, if not sooner, the severe threat has moved out, and then into the afternoon, we are drier until we get to the evening, and this is the next little batch of some showers and storms I was mentioning that starts to work into southern Kentucky, especially in southeast Kentucky as we go into the evening. And some of that could actually work into central Kentucky too. So we'll have a drier period into portions of the afternoon, and then we'll have that more showers that come in during the evening and night. All right, so severe weather outlook today. You'll notice the green shaded area, level 1 risk. This is the area that stands the best chance to see some of these strong and severe storms. That's this morning through about lunchtime. After lunch, the severe threat ends. The storms that come back in here tonight, showers and storms to the south, those looking more weaker, okay? Instability is much lower. So our morning storms are likely, then some drier time into the afternoon. Some of these storms this morning, absolutely strong and severe. That potential is there. We have that tornado watch till 11 for a lot of the area. Evening showers and storms, but then once those move out, then temperatures get colder and we're dropping into the 30s. 7-day forecast here, you see tomorrow is drier, but then we have a rain chance that comes in by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and with some storms in place on Saturday. Sunday, right now, looking drier after the morning rain chance, and then we get into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there is a chance for rain and snow. All right, both. We'll keep an eye on these storms for you and have another update coming up after the break. Stick around.